Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create the cinematic introduction on CapCut PC. So select your text and add in any title you want. I'm just going to type in the word intro. You can obviously type in maybe your logo or something else. Then I'm also going to change the color to this blue. You don't have to, of course. After that, just simply right click, create compound clip. Select mask and you're going to select the mirror one and you're going to rotate it this way. You're also then going to feather it out a little bit. I'm just going to make it smaller. Then I'm going to place it here, add a keyframe, and at the end you're going to get the line and you're going to place it down here. And that should be it really. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!